Hello, my name is Connie Liu. I'm an undergraduate at MIT, and today we're going to be talking about the first organic molecules. So what exactly is an organic molecule? Well, it's basically any molecule with a carbon in it. So all organic molecules have carbons. Some very common examples of organic molecules would be methane. This is a type of gas that you might have heard of, and its chemical structure kind of looks like this, as a carbon with four hydrogens attached to it. Um, and we want to find out when these organic molecules started to come into being in the history of the world. Of course, organic molecules, as you may know, is a very basic component of life on Earth. Such things such as lipids, proteins, DNA and RNA all have organic molecules within them, which is why they're so important to today's life. We need all of those macromolecules as the building blocks of life. So, the predicted reasons of why organic molecules came to be seemingly out of nothing is because Earth's conditions seem to be suitable for this to happen. At the time, Earth was being bombarded by different asteroids and ice and everything that existed that many billions of years ago. There was also a shroud of water vapor around it, so it had like a very humid environment. And then there were also a lot of volcanic eruptions, which released a lot of molecules and nitrous oxides into the atmosphere. So all of this, in addition to the fact that the Earth's atmosphere that early on was reducing, which basically means it was very prone to adding electrons to molecules, led to a very, very good environment for organic molecules to come into being. Another thing that would happen a lot were thunderstorms. So based on these facts, two people, Miller and Urey, were driven to try to mimic these conditions of the early Earth, or the predicted conditions of early Earth, and then try to find out if organic molecules would spontaneously arise in these conditions. And what they found out after setting up a simulation of all of the molecules we just saw, and the lightning and the being bombarded by different substances, were all mimicked in their experiments on a smaller scale. And what they found was that there were organic molecules and compounds that actually arose from these conditions. They were able to get amino acids out of their experiment and other organic compounds. And in this case, they were able to prove to that these conditions in early Earth were compatible with having the first organic molecules rise, and that was the beginning of life as we know it.